welcome back to our culture class. Today I would like to introduce 教师节, Teacher's Day. 教师, and in the normal way, we will say 老师 as teacher. And if we want to make 老师 formal, we will usually call it 教师. So Teacher's Day, we call it 教师节. 教师节. 教 means teach. Okay. So what is Teacher's Day? Teacher's Day is on 28th of September every year. And why is that? It's because it's the birthday of Confucius. Confucius, which is a person that all the teachers will think he as a goal of the teacher. So he will be the top teacher, and every teacher is trying to like getting close to him, like all the teaching methods and how he think about teaching. So he is kind of a goal to every teacher. So most sacred teacher is also can call it 至圣先师. 至圣先师. In Mandarin, it's called 至圣先师. And during the Teacher's Day, the students will dance dance to thank Kongzi of his teaching. So nowadays, also mostly the students when we want to like celebrate Teacher's Day in the Confucius Temple, that people will dance there to celebrate it. And this is the day that when students say thank you to their teachers every year. So might write cards or send some gifts to their teacher during this day. Who is Confucius? Confucius in Mandarin is 孔子. 孔子. Okay. Confucius was a teacher in ancient China. He was born a long time ago in 551 BCE. He taught many students, and he is called the most sacred teacher, 至圣先师 in Mandarin. Here are some phrases that was said by Confucius. I would like to introduce to you, and you can see how different how different Confucius thinking about than the others. The first one is 有教无类. 有教无类. What does that mean? That means everyone can be taught no matter who they are. So break into details. 有教 to teach, willing to teach. And then 无类, no discriminations or categories. So Confucius thinks that people should not divide students into different categories, no matter they are smart or not that smart. Everyone has the chance to be taught, and then everyone, it depends on the teacher, how teacher use different kind of method to teach. So the responsibility is not on the students, but the teacher have to create different kind of methodology to teach students. Okay, 有教无类. 有教无类. Next sentence is 己所不欲，勿施于人. 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 That means don't do to others what you don't want to done to you. So if you don't want someone treat you like this way, and you don't do the same thing to the others. 欲 here is what you want. What you want. And 施 here means treat. So if you don't want people like treat you like that, you don't do that to people. 勿 and 不 are all the negative words for like no. And 己 means 自己 like yourself 自己 yourself. Okay. 己所不欲，勿施于人. During the Teacher's Day, students will dance 义舞, 义舞, dance. And what is 义 means? It's like rolls. So students will like roll into like this, 6 rows or 8 rows, and then doing the dance. So the shape of their dance will like this. So here students, here students, here students, like this. This is called e-dance. And please look into the video here, just click it and to see what is e-dance actually look like on 28th of September. And please go watch the video and then get back to the class. All right, and after you watch that video, you are more familiar with what the celebrations will be like on Teacher's Day. And here's the introduction of Confucius to make you more familiar with who Confucius really is, 孔子, how he taught, how he treat people. You can find out in this video, so please go watch and get back to the class again. And now we are going to create a card. So for like if you want to send your teachers a card, you can do it according to this video. And I break it down into a step by step, and let's now look at how it works. So first of all, you have to prepare color papers, cutting board, scissors, double-sided tape, foam tape, pen, craft knife, and ruler. And then this is how you do with your A4 papers. And I would like you to find so from here to here is 20 centimeters, and from here to here is 16 centimeters. Okay, and then you will get a card, and then you fold it into half like this. And then you take out another green paper, and then with this side, you cut it into 17 centimeters, and this is 14.5 centimeters. And after you do that, you fold a little bit, 1 centimeter here, fold up. And then with the upper side, you cut two rectangle out from the paper. So one is 10 centimeters long and another one is 1.5 centimeters long, and you need to create two. After you do that, you put the double-sided tape here. And then you peel it off and then fold it like this. And then turn it back. And in the back, you put the double-sided tape here. And then you put this blackboard to the previous card that you prepared. So you put the blackboard here. So you will get this. And then you bring out another green paper and then cut it into here 12 centimeters, 7.7 centimeters, and this shape will be like 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. And then you make the shape like a little bit round here. And now you pull this, you put this into here. So you will have like a pocket here. and you put it inside, and then tape 2 foam tape here. This is the foam tape, so you will have a little height here. And then you create the eraser of the blackboard. So you cut off like two orange rectangles, and then make a little like moon shape to make the bottom part of it. And then after you do that, you put that stick into the foam tape. And at the end, you write some words like, for example, this one is 教师节快乐, or 老师您辛苦了. Like then you're doing many efforts. Thank you, teacher, like that. So write whatever you want on the blackboard. And when you pull off here, you'll get another page over here. So you can like write different languages, or you want to draw something here. And at the end, when you want to say thank you to your teacher or happy Teacher's Day, you can say 教师节快乐 to your teacher. 教师节快乐. 教师节快乐. And this is the end of today's class, and I hope you enjoy it.